everyone, myself Aishwarya Valikar from BSc 4th Sem. My combination is chemistry and zoology. My seminal topic is explain the magnetic and catalytic properties of D block elements and colors and ability to form complexes of all the D block elements. Then we will study about the D block elements. The D block elements are called as transition elements. Group 3 to 12 elements are called as D block elements. Then we will study about the magnetic properties of D block elements. Magnetic property means the magnetic property of substances are determined by number of unpaired electrons present in it. This property can be expressed and also compared in terms of a magnetic moment. Then it is classified into three types. One is paramagnetic property, second one is diamagnetic property, third one is ferromagnetic property. First one, paramagnetic property means when a substance containing one or more unpaired electrons that exhibits paramagnetic property, that substances are weakly attracted by magnetic field. Then second one is diamagnetic property. These substances are those in which all electrons are paired. Such substances are repelled by magnetic field, but this is due to the small magnetic moment induces in the substances in presence of a field. Or the diamagnetic property means the magnetic moments are multiply composed as the moments are in opposite direction. This phenomenon is called as diamagnetism. For example, scandium, titanium, vanadium, copper, zinc. Next one, ferromagnetic substances. Ferromagnetic substances are those in which the extent of a paramagnetism attracted by the magnetic field, but they are magnetized. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel. Second one, then the next one is catalytical properties. These are the substances which increases the rate of chemical reaction of D block elements or transition elements or act as a good catalyst during a chemical process. The catalytic properties of D block elements are due to first one is variable oxidation states, second one is partially filled or incompletely filled D subshells, third one is provides large surface area, fourth one is they can form intermediate compounds. For example, synthesis of ammonia by Haber's process, iron are used as a catalyst. Hydrogenation of oils converted into fat, nickel is used as a catalyst. Then next one is formation of complexes. Formation of complexes means transition elements have a unique tendency to form a complexes. Then the ions of these elements bind to a number of anions or neutral molecules that having a lone pair of electrons on its central metal atom called as ligand. For example, CuNH3 4SO4. Then next one subtopic is color of the complexes. Color of the complexes means in transition metal atom or ion, all the 5d orbitals have the same energy. Same energy means degenerated orbitals, and they are grouping into two sets of orbitals. For example, e.g. dx2 y2 dz2 and t2g dxy dyz dzx. The orbitals no longer remains degenerate and split into two sets of orbitals called as crystal field splitting, and the difference energy, the magnetic catalyst properties, colors ability to in energy between two sets of orbitals is called as crystal field splitting energy. Then next one is some ions form a colored. That means the Sc3 plus and Ti4 plus, it forms a colorless. Number of unpaired electrons is 0. Then Ti3 plus is purple in color. V3 plus is green in color. V2 is violet in color. Fe2 plus is green in color. Mn2 plus is yellow in color. CO2 plus is pink in color. Cu2 plus is blue in color. Cu plus and Zn2 plus is colorless in color. Then next one is DD transition. The formation of one or more electrons is possible from a set of lower energy d orbitals to higher energy d orbitals by absorption of electromagnetic radiations is called as DD transition. Thank you.